the Aurvana Trio Wireless from Creative. Now, if you're looking for some wireless earphones that aren't going to break the bank, stay tuned for the review and unboxing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Easy. So today we've got another wireless earphone review for you. These are the Creative Aurvana Trio Wireless. Now, they're not truly wireless earphones, but I do have a lot of good things to say about them, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump into the review, please do consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and please leave a like and a comment if you enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's jump into the review. Okay, so let's jump straight into the unboxing. So one thing I will say straight away is that Creative offer exceptional value for money products. I was extremely impressed with the Pebble V3s that I reviewed the other week. For less than £40, you got a hell of a lot of hardware and features, and the Aurvana Trio Wireless follow that suit. First off, you get quite a premium unboxing experience, especially compared to products almost double the price, such as the Kygo Excellent and the Sony WF-1000 XM3s I've reviewed on the channel in the past. It has a really nice butt cover design, and inside you're greeted with the Trio wireless earphones themselves, along with a carry case. Now, although I'm over the moon they included a carry case, I was concerned about its size. I couldn't really work out a way to fit the earphones in without it feeling like I was bending them back the wrong way. But maybe that's just me. Anyway, inside the carry case you will get of course some more info booklets and then your micro USB charger. Now it is a shame it's not a USB Type-C, it's something I sort of expect in this day and age, but nonetheless not a huge drawback. So as I'm sure you're already aware, these are not truly wireless earphones. Like the Sony WF-1000 XM3s or AirPods, you don't have the luxury of a charging case. You do however get a huge 20 hours of playback time, which in a way makes them a better choice than most truly wireless earphones, as they usually last anywhere between 4 to 8 hours before needing to go back in their charging case. So really, you'll be fine leaving the house without your charger with these, and you'll probably find yourselves, even with heavy usage, only having to charge them every 2 days or so. Lastly, also included in the box you get some extra rubber ear tips just in case you lose some or you need a better fit. First impressions of the build quality were of course excellent. The silicone band at the back is really comfortable, there's a bit of weight to the earphones but nothing I'd really complain about, and they're very comfortable for long listening sessions. I really love the metal accents, it makes them look really smart and adds a little bit of sophistication to them. It's pretty shocking that this device only costs a mere £90 or a little over $100 if you're in the US. So what else do we get for less than £100? Well, the Aurvana Trio Wireless come with Bluetooth 5.0 with multi-point connectivity support, which means you can connect to both your laptop and your phone for example, and switch seamlessly between the two. Now, a common complaint about wireless earphones is that when watching movies there is a noticeable delay. So Creative have gone and solved that issue by adding Qualcomm aptX low latency codec, which eliminates any potential lag. To go nicely with this, the Trio Wireless comes Super X-Fi ready. Now, if you're wondering what this actually means, let me explain. Super X-Fi captures the listening experiences of a high-end multi-speaker system in a studio and recreates that same experience in your earphones, using computational audio-intensive techniques. This all sounds very fancy, but how do they actually sound? Well, nothing less than incredible. I was genuinely blown away by the sound that came out of these earphones, and I would even say they're comparable to my Sony WF-1000 XM3s, but for less than half the price. More on the sound quality, the Aurvana Trio Wireless are extremely well balanced. There's no overpowering bass and everything sounds rich and crystal clear. They're optimized for all genres of music with a frequency response of 5 to 20,000 Hz. Again, extremely impressive for wireless earphones less than £100. Now, one feature the Aurvana Trio Wireless is unfortunately missing is active noise cancelling, which is a real shame because that really would have been the tip of the iceberg for me. But perhaps it's too much to ask for on a product priced so low. They do, however, have excellent noise isolation, and at some points I couldn't tell the difference between wearing earphones with active noise cancelling and the Aurvana Trio Wireless. Something that is included though is a built-in microphone, so you can actually answer calls on this device. And on that note, I'll quickly switch to the Aurvana Trio Wireless for a quick microphone test. This is a microphone test for the Aurvana Trio Wireless. As you can tell, it's pretty standard, basically the same as what you'd get on most wireless earphones or any earphones for that matter. So no complaints here. So that was a microphone test, no complaints from me. I tried ringing a friend and they said I sounded crystal clear, so there's not really much else to be said on that other than it works quite well. Lastly, let's take a look at some more of the physical features. So as well as a built-in microphone, you have 3 buttons. One to turn the earphones on or off, or indeed activate your chosen voice assistant. Then a volume up and down button. By pressing some of the buttons twice, you can do different things such as skip a track or decline a call. They're actually a lot more convenient and easier to use than some of my truly wireless earphones. One last touch that I thought was absolutely brilliant is that the earphones themselves are actually magnetic, so you can stick them together to stop them from getting tangled up in your bag or when you're carrying them around. So those were the Aurvana Trio Wireless from Creative. I probably pronounced that wrong, so I am sorry for that, but I personally really like them. As always, let me know down in the comment section what you thought of them and if you're going to pick up a pair. Also, if you are new to the channel and you did enjoy the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button now and putting the notifications on. But for now, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.